Right, hey guys, IT Tech Gamer or Repair It, whatever I've named myself at the time. Okay, this is a Mac I've just ordered. I was going to give it to my sister originally, but I saw a lot of errors with it and I ended up buying a new one. So I'm just going to repair this one, make it look better than before, and I'm probably going to sell it on eBay. So look down in the description for a link, and soon I'll have it up. I'm just going to do a mouse repair today. As you see, that's what the previous owner done to it. I think it's blurred out, yep. But it does work. Actually, let's switch it on to show you guys. So yeah, I ordered another mouse, and I am going to be changing it. Might need to cut some bits of this off because it's got a hard drive and it's only got 4 gig of RAM, so it's quite slow. I've ordered 8 gig, but that's still yet to come. It's been over a week and he complained to that guy. Yeah, it's taking time. But yeah, it's in pretty bad shape right now, as hardware wise. I mean, the other day, well, it's a bit secure now. I actually just took this off just by putting my finger there. Right, there's the account. You can see I'm moving the mouse. Does work. Let me just put the password in. So even on the crack bit, as you can see, I don't know, yeah, you can see the mouse barely. It does work, but that's not good. I want to change it. I haven't even connected to Wi-Fi yet. So I'll turn this off right now. Okay, take this off. You can see it's in pretty bad shape. Look at the back, it's dented, so I'm going to open it up. Even here I was looking, where is it? There you are. It's pretty much open already and the screws are in, so I'm going to have to fix that. Okay. Normally when you open up a Mac, can you see there? Yeah, okay. These 3 will be longer than the rest, okay? Sorry, like I said, yeah, it's in pretty bad shape. You can see the back, it's already got marks on it or whatever. Right, let's remove it. So you need a really small Phillips to do this. See, that's what I mean when I say long, if you can see that. The rest, I think that's blurred. Yeah. The rest are really small, so it's just those 3, so keep those aside. This one's not even coming out. Don't know what the previous one had done to it. That one comes out. I need to push it. Okay, I'll try and get that one out later. Don't know if you can, let's put it in here. I don't know if you can see that. It's quite small. That's how I think it's moved. Okay, I won't bother showing you yet, then show you later. Those other ones are really small. Bad news. Oh, that's... Right, now I know why it isn't coming out. You see this bit here, right here? Look on the other side, there's no screw. So what the guy's obviously done, he's put one of the small screws in there by mistake. So that's stuck there. I don't think we're getting that one out. I'll have to try later, see if that's any way out. So don't put the small screws in those 3 sections. So that's the inside of a MacBook. That's what it looks like. We've got good RAM this time, not Samsung. Not a Samsung hard drive. Right, all we need here is a tri-wing screwdriver. What we got to do to change the mouse pad, we've got to take out the battery first. So I'm going to go and dig out that screwdriver. I just got a new set because I had a look in my old set and there was nothing there you could do to change these screws or get these screws out. Didn't have a tri-wing, so just going to pause that and I'll be right back. Just going to open the set. Might be an awkward situation here because it looks like none of them are actually the tri-wing. Well, not small enough. So I've got one, the smallest they've got there. It's quite big compared to it. Like that in the older Macs. So this one, I don't know if you can see. Lucky, the screw's already loose in this one. So we can just take that one out. The other one looks like kind of worn out, so we might have trouble taking that one out. I might have to force it out. If I find some spare Phillips ones, I think I actually might replace them because it's pretty worn out. So I hope I can even get this out. Oh yes, it's coming out. Yep, got it. Oh, that's quite a long one. That's it right there. Don't know if you can see that. Might be blurred out, but okay. So this other one, luckily we can just get away with it. Actually, the screwdriver works, so let's use it. Yeah, that's the thing that annoys me about Apple. They use such small screws. Even I've opened up some iPads before, and oh, this one's a lot smaller. I don't know if you can see that, it might be blurred. Oh well, edit that later. Right, so now I should be able to just pull the battery out. Oh, I've got to disconnect it, haven't I? I can't remember how you disconnect it. I think you have to pull it up. Yeah, there you are, you just pull it up. Okay. So for those of you who didn't see that, this is put down in, you just need to pull it up like that, okay? All we do is now grab this tab, take the battery out, you just need to pull it forward, and that's the battery out. Oh my god, that is dirty. I'll have to clean that. Okay. So now, I believe this is the mouse pad. So that's the thing we've got to change here. Right. So I believe I I'm gonna put this on pause, and I'll get the other mouse pad. So it's still packed up, so let me just unpack this and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so that's the new mouse pad. All clean there, no cracks. That's what it looks like at the back. So notice here, there's two screw bits here. So what we need to do is remove the screw bits, hinges here, and put them on here. I think that's what's causing it to be stuck there. So let's put that one side, and let's remove this. Wow, it's so small. Looks like this has already been removed before, because I can see there's already a screw missing here. Okay. So I think, yeah, that prevents it. I think if I'm not wrong, sorry, like I said, I'm doing this for the first time in front of you guys, so I know there might be some of you trying this for the first time, so I want to get the same experience as you. So I'm not full on advanced, I don't 100% know what I'm doing, but I'm hoping this is going to work. Well, it'll go on YouTube if it works properly. So if you turn the Mac around and open it, yep, that's coming off now. So I put this on the side. I remember they said there was some that came with the ribbon. This one you need to remove the ribbon. That's how you do it. This bit here, that's how you remove it. You just take that ribbon off. So now what you need to do is open the Mac up and just simply pull it out. It's very awkward. There you are. That's the crack pad out. Now that leaves us in the situation to have to remove this cable. So all it is just tape. So you just give it a yank and then, well, slightly pull it out, but remember, don't put too much effort on it. Slightly pull it out. There you are, that's the cable. We need that for the other mouse pad. So this is now junk. So let's throw that away. Okay. So once you've removed the mouse, you've taken the cable out, you're gonna have to put this back in. It is kind of awkward. So if you've ever done an iPhone or iPad repair, you get one of these. Put that here, and you just feel the ribbon through, and you get it through. That's how I just done it right now. I noticed there was some of the mouses I ordered had the ribbon on them. I thought I didn't need them. It looks like this is actually quite hard. That's why I didn't film me doing it, because I didn't know if I was going to mess up. But I managed to do it, so if I've done it, you should be able to do that, okay? But yeah, that's now in, so what I'm going to have to do is put the mouse back on here, then put this ribbon back in the mouse.